Looks like my shift linkage broke off while I was on the track. The good news is I ran a new PB. The bad news is that my shift linkage broke off, so I can't get the car in or out of gear. But it should be an easy fix once I take it home to inspect. Now I just have to wait for the tow truck. First time ever towing. I was at Sonoma Raceway and my car broke. The pin fell off of my dual shear selector rod, so my car is stuck in third gear. I have the AAA Premier membership, and you're supposed to get 1 200-mile tow and 3 100-mile tows. And I was at Sonoma Raceway, which is about 60 miles from my house. I called AAA. They said a truck would be there in 45 minutes, so I waited. I called them back, and they said that dispatch will call me back. They're looking for a truck. I called them back again. Well, it's Saturday, it's COVID, we can't find a truck. They'll call you back. Literally, I called them 6 or 7 times. 6 hours later, AAA said, oh, you have a race car that's been modified? No tow truck will come and pick you up. I thought that was really ridiculous, because the whole point of having the AAA membership was that they can tow you. They wanted me to take pictures of my car and take a picture of my registration to show that it was street legal, so they can escalate to their supervisor. Then they will send a tow truck. They didn't tell me this until 6 hours later, so I wasted my time sitting there waiting for them. Luckily, a friend of a friend had a trailer, so I went to go pick it up. Got to his house at 9 o'clock last night, picked up the trailer, got my car, and made it back to my in-laws' house by like 11. So be warned, if you have the AAA towing package, they may screw you. So I'm gonna cancel my AAA membership, and I'm probably gonna buy a trailer. Well, towing was actually pretty cool. I've never towed ever before, so the Tacoma tows it pretty good. I would estimate the trailer is about 2,000 pounds. My car is 2,900 pounds, so it's probably about 5,000 pounds. It's an estimate, and I towed it 20 miles. So far so good, and now I have to tow it about 50 miles to my house. Cruising on the freeway about 55 miles an hour, and I'm getting about 11.6 miles per gallon. And that's with my truck full of people, my wife and 2 kids, with some stuff in the truck bed. So it's pretty loaded as far as weight. And I'm also rolling on 33s, which doesn't help with MPG. But the truck drives smooth, no issues on the freeway. Update to the gas mileage, about 12.4 miles to the gallon. Fully loaded truck for about 50 miles freeway and a couple miles local.